Part 1. How to delete preloaded apps on Android via App Drawer. The simplest way to uninstall preloaded apps is through the App Drawer, also called the home screen. However, this method only works if the app allows for direct uninstallation. Step 1. On your home screen, swipe up or tap the App Drawer icon to access all your installed apps. Step 2. Scroll through the list to find the preloaded app you want to delete. Step 3. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Step 4. Tap the Uninstall option. If this option doesn't appear, the app cannot be removed through the App Drawer. Confirm the action to completely remove the app from your device. Part 2. How to delete pre-installed apps on Android using settings. If you can't uninstall preloaded apps via the App Drawer, you can try using your device's settings. Most Android devices allow you to either uninstall or disable apps from the settings menu. Step 1. Tap on the Settings app from your home screen. Step 2. Scroll down and select Apps and Notifications or Applications depending on your Android version. Step 3. In the app list, locate the pre-installed app you want to remove. Step 4. Select the app to open its details page. Step 5. If you can uninstall the app, tap Uninstall and confirm the action. Step 6. If you can't uninstall it, you may be able to disable the app. Tap Disable to stop the app from running in the background, prevent it from being updated, and save storage space. Part 3. How to uninstall preloaded apps in Android by Coolmuster Android Assistant. If the standard method of uninstalling pre-installed apps doesn't work, or if you're looking for a more effortless and comprehensive approach, you might need Coolmuster Android Assistant. Step 1. To uninstall pre-installed Android apps, first download Coolmuster Android Assistant onto your computer. Then connect your Android phone to the computer using Wi-Fi or an appropriate USB cable. Step 2. Follow the on-screen prompts to allow the program to recognize your Android phone. Once done, you will see the main interface as shown below. Step 3. Click on Apps in the left sidebar, scroll through the list, and browse the pre-installed apps. When you find excessive software or apps you wish to remove, select the checkbox next to them. Then click the Uninstall button to delete them from your Android phone. Part 4. How to remove pre-installed apps on Android through ADB. For advanced users, ADB Android Debug Bridge allows you to remove pre-installed apps through command line instructions. This method requires connecting your Android device to a computer and using ADB commands. Note, ADB allows you to remove system-level apps, so be cautious. Removing essential system apps may affect your phone's functionality. Step 1. Go to Settings About Phone and tap Build number 7 times to enable developer options. Step 2. In developer options, enable USB debugging. Step 3. Download and install ADB from the official Android developer website. Step 4. Use a USB cable to connect your Android device to your computer. Step 5. On your computer, open the Command Prompt Windows or Terminal Mac Linux. Step 6. In the command prompt type, add B devices. This will list connected devices. If successful, your device's ID will appear. Step 7. To list all apps on your device type, add B shell PM list packages. This will show all installed apps, including system apps. Step 8. Find the package name of the app you want to remove, for example, Google Android apps, Maps for Google Maps. Then, type the following command, add B shell PM uninstall kuser0 package name. Replace package name with the actual package name of the app you want to uninstall.